Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you have been building your own website on Wix.com in 2026, but suddenly you are going through a problem the checkout isn't working. So in today's small tutorial, I'm gonna show you all on how to actually fix this type of issues, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, we're just gonna open the device. Go to your favorite browser and look for Wix.com. So basically, when you tap the website, it's gonna take you to a new window where you should log in using your email address and password. As for now, we're gonna go to our settings here from the dashboard. Then we're gonna go to accept payments. Then make sure your provider is fully connected and verified. You should also confirm the currency and the country. See if your region is fully connected. If everything is looking good, you can even see more payment options if you want to. Then do a small test. If the test mode is working properly, try a live mode option. You can also check the shipping and tax rules, since missing shipping or even tax setup can block checkout completely. If you have multiple apps, disable them. I always tell you guys, disable any conflicting apps. Upsell, discount apps, scripts that can break the checkout. Disable any of them where basically when you have this type of problems. Then clear the browser cache, since all checkout data can cause false errors. And that's basically it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.